Hello everyone, my friends, I'm Weller. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install Free Fire on your PC or laptop. Open any browser, okay? And then we need to find Google Play Store, right? Type it in and press enter. It's for PC, right? So go to Google Play Store, download for PC Windows. Click on it specifically from the official website. This is important because you could download a virus. Click download for PC. A file will open. That's the installer. Open it up. Click the install button, okay? Well, choose the installation location and wait for the process to complete. Wait. Once the application is downloaded, it will log you in automatically. Now go to the search bar and type in Free Fire. Click on it and install it. Alright, then click the play button and start playing. And that's it. Please like and subscribe to the channel. This has been Weller. Goodbye, everyone.